Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect the Kiva network to your MetaMask wallet using an easy method. First, open your MetaMask application or browser extension. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Then, locate and click on the network drop-down menu, usually found at the top of your wallet interface. This is the initial step to begin adding a new custom network to your MetaMask setup. Next, from the list of available networks, scroll down to the very bottom and select the option that says Add Network. After that, you will be presented with a choice to either select a popular network or add a custom one. Choose Custom Networks to manually input the Kiva network's specific details. This prepares your wallet to receive the necessary configuration information for Kiva. Now it's time to accurately enter the Kiva network's configuration details into the provided fields. For the network name, type Kiva Network. The new RPC URL should be https://rpc, Kiva Network. Set the chain ID to 2222. The currency symbol is Kiva. Finally, input the block Explorer URL as https://explorer. Kiva Network. Double-check these details for accuracy before proceeding. Once all the Kiva network details are correctly entered, click the Save button to finalize the addition. You should then see Kiva Network appear in your list of available networks. To connect, simply select Kiva Network from the drop-down menu. Your MetaMask wallet is now successfully connected to the Kiva network, allowing you to interact with Kiva-based decentralized applications and assets. Congratulations on completing the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.